So this is a BOXYCHARM, what is this? Oh! Happy video day, guys. So for today's video, we're gonna be jumping into my BOXYCHARM. So I finally got it. I was actually waiting for this mailman to get here all day today. I have a bone to pick with the mailman. He literally usually gets here a certain time, and today he decided to get here like at the end of the day, which doesn't give me that much time to do my unboxing. So I don't know how many items I'll be able to try on for you guys on this unboxing, but I'm definitely going to unbox it all for you. So I actually get BOXYLUXE for the month of March, because if you guys don't know, BOXYCHARM subscription, it's $25 a month, but if you want to do an upgrade every quarter, they send you a bigger box, and it costs us $49.99, which is 50 bucks, and that's what I do. So in March, I always get the bigger box. I honestly, guys, don't even know what's in this box this month. Usually they send you like a selection thing that you're supposed to like customize it, and this month I didn't get my selection, so I have no idea what's in here, and I don't even know if you were able to customize this. I was not, because I never got the option. So we're gonna look at this for the first time together. I'm gonna open up this box. I'm gonna show you guys every single thing that I got, and I'm hoping it's good. I don't even, have I seen any BOXYLUXE unboxings? I don't even think I have. Okay, let's get into the box. Okay, so this month, I actually got one of these papers. So the month before, I actually didn't get one of these. This month, I did get one of them. I'm actually hope that they keep giving us these papers, because it's so hard to get the electronic one on my phone. So I'm happy I got this month. And I already saw one of my favorite brands is in this box. So I didn't even know that, so I'm super excited. We get the paper. This box looks a little bit more empty than usual. I don't know, maybe the products are smaller. So I did get variation number 9. It says 9 on the bottom, and let's jump into what we got here. So the first thing I see right here is this right here. So this is a BOXYCHARM, what is this? Oh neat. It's a BOXYCHARM eyeshadow palette. I can't try it on for you guys because I already put on eyeshadow. Thank you, mailman. But this is really actually cute. And I want to look and make sure none of these are pigments. Matte pressed eyeshadow ingredients and shimmer pressed eyeshadow. So this is all eyeshadows. I'm excited. I'm going to try this out for you guys. Maybe what I'll do is follow me over on Instagram, and I'll do a video using this so that you guys can see it in action. I'll do a really fun eye look with it. Let me show it to you guys. So this is actually pretty. I didn't expect such a cute eyeshadow palette from BOXYCHARM, but yeah, this is actually really cute. So I'm liking this. I don't really know about these glitters. I'm not sure about the glitter in here, but that is actually a really cute thing. I hope BOXYCHARM doesn't always give us eyeshadow palettes created by BOXYCHARM, because, you know, I like BOXYCHARM and everything, but am I like thrilled to be getting a BOXYCHARM manufactured BOXYCHARM eyeshadow palette in a BOXYLUXE? Not as much. Like, I feel like BOXYLUXE is more about like more high end and getting like a really good value, and something that's manufactured by BOXYCHARM is not something that I put a really big value on yet, because they don't really have like a whole makeup line. If you guys understand what I'm saying. So like that one I just feel like I like the idea of it. It's not my favorite to have been in a BOXYLUXE. So it is called the BOXYCHARM Hello Charmer, and it's supposed to retail for $39. I guess if they sold it. So let's see what else there is. The next thing I see here is what is this? What is this little contraption that they gave me? So this is from a brand called PMD. I literally don't know what this is. It's a smart facial cleansing device. Ah, this is interesting. So it retails for $99. Wow. And it's supposed to give 7,000 vibrations per minute. This is kind of cool. I really honestly did not know what this was. I was a little like, okay, what is this thing? And it's interesting looking. I'm interested in trying this out. I don't have one like this. I have one from another brand that they actually sent me in PR, but I don't have one like this one. So I'm interested in that. Okay, so I probably will be trying that out. The next thing is from a brand that I adore. So this is from Murad, and this is their Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. I'm gonna use this. I love anything that's moisturizing for the eyes, and I love anything Murad. Like, Murad is my go-to skincare brand, if you guys don't know that. Like, my entire routine basically is Murad. So this retails for $70. That is awesome. And it's a nourishing cream. I'm excited for this. I'm definitely going to try this because, like I said, love anything that's hydrated. I love Murad products. I already have an under eye cream, but this one may be good for me to put during the day, so I'm excited for that. Let's see what else we've got in here. What is this? So we have from Elizabeth Mott. So this is a $40 eyeliner pencil. Oh, it's an eyeliner pencil. Okay, so and it's black. Do I need black? Need to see what this is. So this is a creamy eyeshadow. Oh, okay. So it's a creamy eyeshadow pencil. I'm actually interested in this. This is in a color called Raven. Ooh, that seems very creamy. Okay, I'm interested in this one for sure. That looks like it could be very promising, especially for the lower lash line. It also seems like it could be good like when you want to smudge out that lower lash line. So this looks like it might be really good. So this is from a brand called Elizabeth Mott. Interesting. Oh wait, there's another one in here. There's two. Oh, no wonder it was so expensive. Ooh, I love this color. This one doesn't look as promising, but I like the little shine that it has. So this is actually pretty interesting too. So this is a creamy eye pencil as well. Huh. I like this. This is cute. So one has a shininess to it and the other one is just black. So the one that's like a cream color, it has a little bit of shine to it and the other one's black. So that looks cool. This is a cute product. Okay, so I like this one. Never heard of the brand, but... Okay, wait, did I get this already? I think I got this in another BOXYLUXE. I think this is like one of those miscellaneous products. So this is from Appeal Cosmetics. It's $21 and it's a waterproof lip or eyeliner pencil. I think I tried something from them before and I wasn't a huge fan of their formula. So this I'll definitely say for a giveaway. So that one I'm like, next we have from Nars. Ooh, the Powermatte pigments. I like these. What color did I get? Hopefully I got a good color. This looks like fuchsia. So it looks like it's like a fuchsia-y color. Not 100% sure if I will end up keeping this color. It is $25 US. I do love the Powermatte pigment. These are really, really good. I have one in American Woman, I think it is. It's the only other one that I have, and I love it, and it's super, super good. So this is definitely a really good product. I got it in the color called Give It Up. It's a little bit like a fuchsia-y color. I'm gonna have to try it to see if I like it. So interesting, it looks like they kind of matched the lip liner this month to the liquid lipstick that you got. At least I did, because the color that they gave me, it actually looks really similar to the lip color that they gave me. So I do think that they tried to match the colors. I don't know if this is a coincidence or if they actually really did try to match them. But yeah, that looks actually okay. So I mean, maybe I'll give it a shot. Maybe I'll like the color. I just have noticed recently like darker, like fuchsia-y colors, they look cool, but I never tend to grab them. So I have to see how many I already have. I think I may have a color similar to that one. So what do we have next? Ooh, Deborah. Okay, so I'm excited for this. If you guys can tell by my terrible nails right now, I actually tried painting my nails the other day with my daughter, and I used the Deborah Lippmann nail polishes that they gave us in another, like in a few months ago's BOXYLUXE, and it was like this brown color. I guess it was in the fall, and I really liked it, and it was really good, and I'm really bad at taking nail polish off, so I'm so sorry if you guys are going to see disgusting nails for a few videos. I don't even know if I have acetone, so I've got to find it. But these are really cute colors. Look at those cute colors for spring. I love this. I think BOXYCHARM should give us more nail polish. I mean, somebody who's like me that literally doesn't go out and buy nail polish all the time, I would love it if BOXYCHARM would just send me a bunch of different colors and I could like create a little nail polish collection. I would love that. So yeah, so you can keep sending me nail polishes, BOXYCHARM. I'm totally cool with that. And let's see, those actually retail for $19 and they're really cute and they're good size. I mean, I don't think you're gonna get that much use out of them because I don't know how many applications this will be good for, but I like them. I think they're adorable. Ooh, and I like the last product. So this is awesome. So we got from Sol de Janeiro, we got the Brazilian Bum Bum and the Coco Cabana cream. And I think each one retails for $15. Am I right about that? I'm not 100% sure, but I love these. These are so good. I have both of these. I love these. I'm definitely going to keep them. drop the box. I'm definitely going to keep these as spares because I go through these a lot. I really, really, really honestly love them. And yeah, so that's all the products. What do I think about this month? I'm not in love with this month. I don't think it was bad, but I'm not in love with it. But there was some good products. So I mean, like, I guess it's just there was not that one product in here that made me go, oh my goodness. Like, so that's the only reason I'm kind of like, But at the end of the day, I do think I got some good products. Like the Murad one seems like it would probably be a really good product. Like I said, I love Murad. This looks like it's pretty neat. I mean, I would love to try it out. So those are already 2 cool products. These I know are really good, so I'm excited for those. I like these nail polishes because, like I said, I don't have that much nail polish, so I'm totally cool with getting a bunch of them. I need to try these out. They look like they could be cool. They feel like they could be promising, so I'm excited for them. I don't know if I'm gonna like them or not, but I mean, like this one looks okay. I like this. I think it's a cute idea. Like I said, it's like, I would have liked it as like just a thrown in product, like, hey, look at this. But like to include it in like the retail value, I just feel like maybe not yet. BOXYCHARM, not yet. And then these 2, not so into the lip liner. Like I said, I've tried one before that I wasn't a huge fan of, but maybe this one's better. And this is a good product. So, I mean, I can't say this is a bad box because if you guys saw, a lot of the products I actually liked them. So what can I say? It was a good box, but it was not like an exciting box. But I don't think that there was anything like amazing. But I want to know, how much did this retail for? Because this doesn't seem like it would be that expensive a box, but I guess it is. So this says it's retailing for $328. I don't know if the Bum Bum cream, if the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream is 15 each. So I only just put 15 one time because they only put 15 one time here. I can't remember. But for the most part, it's $328. It could be a little bit more if the Bum Bum cream is 15 each. I think it was a decent box. It just wasn't exciting. So either way, guys, I want to know from you guys down below, what did you guys think? I would like to know what the base box looked like and if a lot of these really good items were actually in the base box.
Whoa!
Show them what I got. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, what is it?
It's actually like a cream.
Can see what likes. It smells like orange juice.
Orange juice? It's supposed to smell like a coconut. Look, it's nail polishes for you.
For me?
So we can do our nails together.
I like it. Can I do it?
Yeah, we'll do it later.
Please, I want to do it.
Okay, we'll do it in a minute. Let's say bye to everybody.
Bye.
But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Lexi is here. She wants to jump into the nail polishes and try them on. So we're going to go ahead and try them together.
Thank you for watching this video. And what's it called?
Subscribe.
Subscribe when you like this video, when you like this nail polish. Bye!
And she's going to use this. Now, we're going to go ahead and play with our BOXYLUXE and leave me your comments down below and I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye!
Bye. Okay.